Sports, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for Sports for sending a team of officials to my constituency to check the football ground there. I had sent him a note saying that there was an urgent need to upgrade basic infrastructure on the ground, like the tensile structures, changing room, toilets, etc., which was done immediately. And currently, the estimate and drawings are approved administratively. So I would like the Honorable Minister to expedite the matter so that the upgradation and the development of the ground can be started at the earliest for all the football enthusiasts that we have in Talegaon and neighboring areas as well. Also, I would like to request the Honorable Minister for an indoor stadium in Talegaon on the lines like the ones they have in Miramar. And I say this because there's a lot of talent in Talegaon, but apart from that, the players who go to the indoor stadium in Miramar sometimes don't get a slot to play. They have to wait for quite some time. So I think this would also help the players who go to indoor stadium in Miramar and also from Talegaon and the neighboring areas as well. Also, I would like to request the Honorable Minister for a futsal ground. And then, Speaker Sir, there is a need to create a very sustainable and robust sports ecosystem which will support all our athletes in the state. There are many athletes who have the knack and who have the talent, but lack coaching and financial support. So the department, I think, needs to identify these athletes much earlier, maybe in schools or when they are in colleges, or probably also have an outreach program which will be able to identify these students who are talented. And also I think this is where the Khelo Goa Center will play a very important and vital role. Speaker Sir, in my constituency, there is a player, her name is Chanel Crizel. She's a very young rugby player who represented Goa at the national level and also took part in the under-18 and the under-20 Indian squad for the Asian Rugby Tournament held in Uzbekistan and Nepal, and where she got the second place. She was also awarded the Best Sportswoman of Goa for 23 and 24 by the Goa University, and also selected in the Rugby India senior women's team for the Olympic qualifiers in Osaka, in Japan, and she's the youngest player and the only one from Goa. I think she deserves some recognition. There's another player as well. Her name is Erica Siqueira. She just participated in the Jiu-Jitsu Championship. She's a triple gold medalist at the 11th Mombasa Open International Martial Arts Championship. She has also won a silver medal in the AGP Indian National Jiu-Jitsu Competition 2024 held in New Delhi. And apart from that, she has many other accomplishments as well. These are just a few of the athletes that I'm bringing to the notice of the Honorable Minister who have won accolades for the state, but they have not received any financial assistance nor any coaching, and I think they deserve some encouragement as well from the government. The Honorable Minister may give directions to the concerned officials to just look into the matter. Then we have Karina Shirodkar also, who participated in the national games in the 80-85 category for Penac Silat championship. She won the gold, and she's yet awaiting for her prize money. Honorable Minister, may please look into this. There is also another player by the name of Lloyd Fernandez, who has represented Goa in the para table tennis matches and won several medals. Currently, Speaker Sir, he has inverted 4 applications after he has won the medal for prize money. Honorable Minister, please look into this as well. Speaker Sir, after this, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for approving the renovation and beautification work of the old and new cemetery in Talegaon by laying of pavers and digging of pits. Also, I would like to thank him for approving the sports equipment quota under the MLA MP scheme for Talegaon constituency for 24 and 25. And I would like to congratulate the Honorable CM and the Honorable Minister for Sports for hosting a very successful national games in Goa. It was a very proud moment for all of us. Thank you, Speaker Sir.